not about the time traveling as such, she says. Time is running out. It's not about finding new solutions, but it's about implementing what we already know.
Fiona May is an expert when it comes to global warming and ecological evolution. She has just graduated, but she's been in the ecological movement for years, and now she's traveling the world trying to convince business people and governments to take action and to make a change. And also, she's trying to reach out for future generations in schools, colleges, and universities.
Wherever she goes, whoever she meets, she needs to get her point across, because she knows it sometimes only takes one person to make a change.
So if anybody, Fiona needs to rely on quick and easy technology to help her spread the word.
With the Evolution Wireless 300 series, Sennheiser raises the bar again by offering even greater flexibility and optimized support for workflows. Thanks to remote control and monitoring with the Sennheiser Control Cockpit software, Evolution Wireless G4 is the most versatile wireless microphone series for business and education.
Yeah, the Evolution Wireless G4 300 series comes with a reliable transmission and a broad range of antenna components. The system offers 11 frequency variants between 470 and 865 megahertz, making it easy to meet different globally local regulatory specifications. Yeah, globally local regulatory specifications. It means in different countries, Fiona can work on different bandwidths. Now, the G4 300 series is specifically designed to work on a very flexible scale of bandwidths.
It has a switchable transmission power up to 50 milliwatts and an increased switching bandwidth of up to 88 megahertz.
And the G4 300 series comes with the Sennheiser Control Cockpit software. It will help you to set up and to control during stage and mobile applications. So, let's say I'm the audio technician on a congress where Fiona will speak, or I'm the guy in charge of all the audio equipment on a college campus or university. Then I can simply take my tablet and control volume and frequencies and EQs and you name it. And I can do that remotely.
Fiona is welcomed all over the world. Sometimes she's in small offices having discussions with politicians or business people. But sometimes she'll talk to hundreds of people, thousands even. On some of these events, there is a set PA system she can connect with, like in schools, colleges, and universities. But in other occasions, they would have built up a sound system especially for the event.
Now, the cool thing is that the G4 300 series is compatible with the LSP 500 Pro. These guys. This is Sennheiser's completely wireless PA system. The sound is crystal clear, and setting them up is extremely simple. Each speaker that you use has a peak of 110 dB, and you can link up to 20 speakers completely wirelessly to reach out for your audience. And the whole system is controllable through the LSP 500 Pro app, which looks like this. Over here you got the two speakers that are set up, and you can go to the mixing desk and control volume, or you can mute a microphone like that. Over here there are system settings. It's all there. So how cool is that?
The SLDI4 XLR 4-input Dante interface easily adds wireless microphone receivers or add mic and line inputs to a Dante system. The small form factor of the SLDI4 XLR allows it to be mounted almost anywhere and to get close to audio sources to minimize interference-prone analog wiring.
So, whether Fiona speaks in a college where there is a set PA system ran by a college technician, or Fiona speaks in a business occasion where there's a PA system built up specifically for the occasion, The Evolution Wireless G4 300 series will back her up, wherever she is and whatever globally local regulatory specifications she'll have to deal with.
The Evolution Wireless G4 300 series is available in 3 sets. As a handheld set featuring the MME865 condenser capsule, as a lavalier set featuring the ME2 condenser lavalier, which has an omnidirectional capsule, or as a headset featuring the outstanding SL HeadMic headset.
The time is running out, but we can still make a change. That's what Fiona's message is going to be tonight. People are getting ready. Her speech is about to take off, so I better go check if she's all set. We'll see you later.